I feel like I look like some kind of bird or something. I used some... What just happened? What was that? I feel like a watermelon, and I feel like I'm a little bit overexposed, but it's okay. We're gonna fix that in post. So today is a quick beat video. Quick beat? No. Hello, my beautiful human beings. If you've never seen my face before, my name's Brooke. Nice to meet ya. Subscribe to my channel if you want to join this crew we've got going on here. And if you don't, then feel free to keep on watching to see how to get this music festival inspired makeup look. I just wanted to create something that was fun, kind of almost like electric, kind of like an electric vibe. I don't know. Yeah, I really enjoyed creating this look for you guys, and I think that's about it. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to follow me on social media. I will have that link down below. And let's jump into today's video. Okay, so ignore whatever that is. I don't know. Honestly, at this point, I'm not asking questions. Let's move on. Today is a quick beat video, which naturally means that I'm gonna show you guys how I do my eyes and my lips, but the rest of my face is done. Because you guys don't need to see me do my face every single time I do a video, because it stays pretty much the same, because I am not going out and spending a lot of money on makeup because your girl's balling on a budget. So anyways, I digress. The first shadow I'm gonna be going in with today is by Nomad Cosmetics. So this is a part of their Northern Lights collection. I will be going in with the Norskken number 3 shadow. This is this shade right here. I will be putting this into my crease as my transition shade. Even though this is a shimmer, I'm still going to use it as my transition shade because of the fact that I want this tone to be a focus in that area. So normally I would use a matte shadow, however I'm using a shimmer shadow, which is really not a big deal. And once there's little to no product left on the brush, I'm just going to slightly wing this out here. You can see how nicely these shadows blend out. I'm very impressed with the quality. And then slightly intensifying that shade on this outer corner area right here. Alright, and then going in with the Norskken number 2 shadow. This is this beautiful green shade right here. I'm going to be packing the shade onto my lid, avoiding that outer corner, and just building this up until I'm happy with the intensity. I'm going to spray this shade with some MAC Fix Plus just to make sure that I'm getting the full pigmentation out of this, just because it's definitely one of those shades that needs a little something something if you want it to look super foiled. And slowly just blending that back into that outer corner. Now I will be picking up the shade Norskken number 1. It's this deep cobalt shade right here. It's a bit of that blue and that purple tone mixed together. I'm going to be focusing this on the outer corner and slightly into the crease. However, I'm not going to bring this all the way through the crease. I just want to build up some definition in that area. And then going back in with that original blending brush and running it through this area to slightly blend things out. Okay, and then I'm going to be picking up this shade once again, and I will be scraping some of it onto my mixing palette here, and then I will be adding a bit of MAC Fix Plus to create more of a liner and thicken this up a little bit and make it more of like a cream consistency, so I can go in and do some wing liner on the lid. I just really want to reincorporate this shade back into this look, and I want to make sure that this is not lost with all the other shades on the lid. Does anyone remember Xenon, the Disney movie? Because this eyeshadow look is giving me hella Xenon vibes right now, but maybe that's just me. I don't know. Alright, and now I'm going to tightline my upper and lower waterline using my Marc Jacobs Highline eyeliner. Now I will be applying mascara and lashes, and for mascara today I will be using my Bad Gal Bang by Benefit, and for lashes I will be applying my Tarte Maneater lashes. To finish off the eyes today, I'm going to go in and blend out this green shade on the inner corner, and then I will be putting this shade in the middle and then this shade on the outer corner. So just reincorporating all those three shades back into that lower lash line. And then just coating my lower lashes with my Bad Gal Bang mascara. For lips, I will be using my NYX Madeline lip gloss. Alright, so this completes today's makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe down below and leave some comments letting me know what kinds of looks you would like to see from me next. I'm going to be doing more natural looks because I feel like I've done a fair share of more colorful looks, and I know this isn't practical for every day. I don't even wear looks like this on a day-to-day basis, even though I'm a makeup artist. So if you made it to the end of this video, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one.